Welcome back. We'll now look at part 2 of the settings inside of Thrivecart. You are going to look at your dunning emails, and these emails are designed to help you to manage your subscriptions. If you choose to use the default emails that Thrivecart gives you, you can determine the time frame for upcoming payment emails, overdue payment emails, card expiring soon emails, and card has expired emails. You can also keep track of the statistics here in this area, and as of the recording of this video, this is going to be a future feature. You can also run a tax report. You can determine how much you have collected in sales taxes through your shopping cart. There is a legal and compliance section, Thrivecart's documentation and policies. You can exclude any personally identifying information from the query string. You can warn your users about the use of cookies on your site. And then you can make sure that the cart abandonment process does not pick up customer email addresses. You can add in the language and translation. So if you choose to create a language profile, you can do that here in this section. If you choose to base your language profile off an existing translation, you can choose the base language for that language profile. And you're going to see all of the elements that you can make changes to here in this area. And finally, if you want to connect to other applications, you can use the API and the webhook connections. In some cases, you may need the Thrivecart order validation secret word. You can also check here to determine all of the connected applications that you have inside of Thrivecart. If you need to create an API key, you can do it here in this section. And in the same way, if you need to create a webhook for a connection, you can do that here in this section. In most cases, you will be using webhook connections using third-party cloud-based connector Zapier. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.